I said, this is kind of a new thing, so it may not work just perfect the first time, guys. So this is the first time out. So, and I can't see the video, at least the broadcast back, because I'm doing it a different way. So you'll have to tell me how it looks as we go, okay? Alright, here we go. Man, there won't be any music because I haven't put any music on this computer yet. Okay, you should see where I'm going. You should see me. Like I said, I haven't got this perfected just yet. Alright. Am I still broadcasting okay, guys? You know, commentary. I can't see, actually, the video. I can't watch the video the way it's set up. So, I rely on you guys, totally, to tell me what's going on. It may do that. Like I said, I can work on that. I haven't got all the, you know, this is the first time, so first time we've ever done this. Well, at least I can say this. I bet nobody's ever done this before. Picture and pick on a bicycle riding down the road. Yeah, I'll probably have to play with the KBS and all that, the details of it, to get everything just perfect. But looks like, I think it's going pretty good for our first time out. What do y'all think? Hey, Legina. No sweating on you? Okay. That's a little annoying. I gotta fix that. The screensaver thing keeps coming on, turning the screen off every few seconds. I have to fix that. So I'll look at the clip later and then figure out what adjustments I might need to make. Yeah, one cam's the one that's made into the laptop. And the other one is the HD 5000. The one made in the laptop's at a much lower resolution. I could probably even take it to a lower resolution and be fine. Oh, I also need to uninstall a bunch of crap. Trend Micro Security org. Yeah. Let's see what resolution it's actually running at. I might could drop it down, make it a little easier on the processor. Bigger? There, I dropped its resolution down a little bit. Yes, it was very hot today. I got in the pool twice. I said, I'll work all the bugs out on this. Hold on. The camera's kind of turned the wrong way. I'll work out the bugs on this, but it looks like it's going to work pretty well, I think. Of course, like I said, I can't see the actual broadcast. I'll look at it when I get home, but so far, so good. Then we still got to add music, of course. I don't have any music on this computer yet. We'll call this the maiden voyage with the new computer. Won't be able to do any really long bike rides for a while yet. I still got to buy a battery for this thing, an extra battery. I don't know how much they cost yet. Yeah, that'll take a little bit of, one, I'm having to use H.264 with XSplit. Ideally, I want to try to run FME and just use XSplit as a effects. But I can't get the image to quit being upside down. So until I can get that worked out, and I probably could crank up the bit rate too. Here, let's try that. Usually get pretty good bandwidth right here anyway, so let's see what happens if I crank up the bit rate a little bit. Be right back. I really can't control that.